Welcome to HGTECH's Laser Knowledge Workshop. So, with the pandemic recurring, what can be done to stabilize our production?
How to quickly judge the failure of the indicator light of the laser cutting head and take the right way to deal with it. When the machine is powered on, the 4 LEDs of the laser cutting head should show a constant green light. If they are not on, then the following steps should be taken. First, check whether the 24V power supply of the I/O board is working properly. Second, check whether the I/O board fuse is working properly. Third, check whether the 19-core cable from the I/O board to the cutting head is working properly. If the first LED indicator on the left side of the laser cutting head shows a red light, then it is necessary to deal with the internal lens of the protective mirror holder. First, check whether the protective lens is contaminated or spotted. If it cannot be cleaned, it needs to be replaced. Second, each time before changing the protective lens, the operator must keep hands clean. Ensure the environment is free of dust and oil mist. Third, check whether the protective lens holder is clean. If there is stain or dust, clean it with anhydrous alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. After cleaning, wait 1 to 2 minutes for the anhydrous alcohol or isopropyl alcohol to evaporate completely before putting in the lens. Fourth, when cleaning the mirror seat, also need to check whether the seal has deformation. Elasticity is normal. If deformation or elasticity deterioration, timely replace it. Sealing generally requires replacement every 3 months.